Today, let us understand what is field status group and what are the posting keys in SAP system. Field status groups are nothing but most of the people are working in SAP. When you are entering a transaction to the particular GL account, the minute you enter a GL account, what fields needs to be required and what are optional and what are to be suppressed or hidden, right? That controls the field status group. Normally, when you are creating a GL master record without having a fee status group, system will not allow you to create a GL master record. Okay, that is a mandatory. It is controlled at a company code level. In every company code, you have a fee status variant. Under one fee status variant, you might have a n number of fee status groups. Okay, based on your requirement or a client requirement, each GL account will be assigned to a particular fee status group. With that, you control the fields of a GL account, particular GL account. Yeah, it's a the field status group in a simple word. It's related to the company code specific object. Yeah, if we talk about the posting case, the posting keys are firstly are at the client level. Client level, in a sense, whatever modification you do at a posting key level, also you can control the fields the way you control in a field status group. But whatever a modification you do in a field status group, that will impact only the company code, which the company code is assigned to that particular field status variant. But in a posting case, if you do any modification at the field status level, it will impact all the company codes under the same client. Okay, so yeah, we got to be very careful when you are doing a modification in a posting key level for the fields. Okay, in a posting case also you see how the data needs to be entered and what data needs to be mandatorily entered at a client level. This is a business decision, and the theory wise, if you want to understand more, you just read this slide. Um so in a real time, the errors wise, you will get the error. So in real time, the real time error perspective, with the conflict between the fee status group and posting case, you will get this standard error, which is message number F52 and 72. Okay, this is basically when you have a conflict between a fee status group and the posting case field for the same field. Let's say in this example, there is a purpose of a text field in a posting case different than the fee status group of this particular GL account. That is what it is talking about. Let us go to the system and see what exactly it means and where the issue is and how to fix this. Let me go to the SAP system. So firstly, I am trying to post an entry in a company code which is already there. Let me go to the transaction. Yeah, let me fill the data. Now I am trying to post an entry in IN15 company code. Okay, this is a test document. Okay, the posting is 40. Yeah, the minute I select any of the GL account here, let me select the cash account. You see, I got the same error. So in this case, I have a conflict for the field of a text. It is talking about the text, but it could be also for other fields. Let's say assignment or WBS element, cost center, profit center, any field. If there is a conflict between a field status group and a posting keys, not only posting key 40. Okay, there are many posting keys, based on the based on a module. Let's say in a general ledger accounting, you have a 40 for a debit and 50 for a credit. Let's say in accounts payable, the posting keys are different. In accounts receivable, the posting keys are different. Similarly, for asset accounting, they are different, and material management side, they are different. Yeah. Likewise, it could be any posting key. When you have a conflict, you just have to understand how to rectify it and where the exactly the issue is. Now the issue is talking about the posting key versus the GL account. The issue is on a field text field. Yeah, you got it. TEXT, text. It is talking about there is a conflict in a text field. Let us see what is that conflict. First, it is telling there is a conflict between a posting key 40 and the GL account 1 lakh. Let us see posting key related configuration. It is a client level. Let us go OB 41. Yeah, we see a issue for the posting key 40. Let us go inside and let us go maintain fields. Yeah, so it is talking about text field. Text field will fall under general data. Let us see. Yeah, if you see here, the text field is with a suppress in the sense it is nowhere appeared while entering an invoice. Okay, in any of the company code, not only IN15 company code. If I go and if I do the posting for any other company code, let's say uh, let me let me post to the other company code also. This time I'll try another company code AP07. Earlier I was trying with the IN15 company code. Let me put, I'm using again a posting key 40. If I use a 50, if there is no conflict, I'll not get error. But we have just seen in a posting key 40, yeah, in a posting key 40, the text field is suppressed. It means it will be suppressed for all the company codes in this client. Likewise, if I select any of the GL account here in AP07, let me select this. You see, for this AP07 company code also, I'm getting the same error. Why? Because the client level in a posting key 40, the field text is in suppress. But what is this field enabled and how this field is enabled in a field status group which is assigned to this particular GL account in this company code? That is the matter, and that is having a conflict. Let us see. First, let us understand for IN05. Okay, IN05, I'm using a GL account cash 1 lakh GL account. For this GL account and posting key 40, I have a conflict. Let me see, this GL account is assigned to which fee status group? It is assigned to the fee status group G001. In this G001, let us go inside. This G001 is a part of a fee status variant APLT. Okay, but we are talking about the text field. Text will be in a general data. If you see, in a fee status level, this text field is a required entry. It means that needs to be entered. And if you see the posting key level debit side, the text field is suppressed. This is a conflict. We are That is the reason we are getting the issue. To rectify this, you need to do two things. In a posting key level, you either need to put as an optional, or in a fee status group you need to put it as a optional entry, okay, or a suppress entry. That is how you can rectify it. Now, as this is a required entry, okay, in a fee status group, what we do is in a posting key level we'll mark it as a optional entry. Our required entry also, there is no issue. If you can mark it as a required entry, still there is no issue. But we'll see if you make it as required entry, client level modification to the posting key, right? So it is required for all the other company codes in a client. So to avoid that confusion, you just mark it as optional entry and save it. Now let us try to post an entry again. So AP07 I'm posting. Yeah, let me select the same GL account which is 1 lakh. Yeah, yeah, if you see, now I didn't see that error, right? The error got disappeared. Likewise, let me check another company code also, f.02. Yeah, this time I'll post an IN15 company code, same posting key 40. Yeah, IN15 company code I've selected. See, the error got disappeared. So whenever you get this standard message error, yeah, you need to understand the error is talking about which field and where is the conflict. It could be a optional entry, okay, it could be a required entry, it could be a suppress entry. But how the both are getting conflicted? If the entry is a required in a posting key level, the same entry needs to be as an optional in a fee status group level. Likewise, if the entry, any of the entries mandatory in a fee status group, that field should be as an optional in a posting key level. Otherwise you will see this kind of mismatches. Yeah, uh, that is the reason the message will not no change. The message number will remain same for any of the field also. For this time, it is talking about a text field, but it could be assignment number, it could be a profit center, anything. Okay, that will be changing, but this is a standard error in SAP. Okay, it will always generate this message only F5272.